So now let's work around with the experience section inside of Wix ADI. So over here, I'm going to press on the plus icon right over here to add a new section right over there. And the third option that you have is experience, as you can see. So experience are just list of things that you did. So this is like your online CV or something like that. So I'm just going to choose out a layout that I want to. So let's say, for example, I want this one right over there. And then you can just go around and see that it has been added. So it says past experiences. So I'm just going to go and change the title right over here. Experiences till now right over here. And there's a subheading right over there. So rules, I'm just going to go over here, or I can disable the subtitle right over here as well. You can enable the description of the experience as well, or disable that out. By default in this one it is turned off, as you can see. You can add in media over here as well. So if you want to add in, let's say for example, a picture, then you can just go around here and change that as well. There's the header buttons, as you can see, so you can have something like contact me as well, but usually it's not there in the section. So you can have the job title, as you can see. So there's the job title, company, and everything else right over here. You can also enable the media and add in relevant media for that particular company, as you can see right over here as well. Just like that. You can also add in a button to link that to that particular company as well. So over here, let's say for example, I'm just going to say manager, and this is going to be something like tube right over here. And then you can choose the dates right over here. That is, type in the dates right over here according to what you want, and then it'll be updated right over here. So this is a CV. So if you want to send out an online portfolio to someone, then this is a great way to do so, as you can see right over there. So that is how you can edit things out. And there's like footer paragraphs you can add in, for example, right over here, just like that. If you want to add in references, and you can also add in button right over here, as you can see. And these are the options that are provided with the experience section right over here. So if I were to go over here onto section design, there are various options like this. So this is the one which are in right now. So there's something like this, which might be more of a creative type of an experience till now section right over here, or maybe something like these, as you can see. So you can go over here and change it out just like that. So there's different type of designs, as you can see, like this one, and so forth. So depending on what you want, you can just change out the layout just like that. So you can go over here, you don't want your picture, you can go over here and so forth. So that is how you can work around with the experience section inside of Wix ADI. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.